قبلنا نتمنى هو كان كل يوم هذا تعالى في الميتاباهي أجا سيساتهم اتفاق هنوتها. So we need everybody just to come here, and before we separate, we have to have some message that we have to deliver before we go from here. It's our first time to have this rally and with different communities, especially it's our first time to have protest against Ethiopian government with the Tigaru community and the Oromo community. It is a good solidarity, and we have one enemy. Our enemy is the Ethiopian dictator government, the Ethiopian unitary government, and we need to fight against that government, and we have to say stop genocide in Oromia and stop genocide in Ethiopia, and also we have to be a voice for our voiceless people in Ethiopia, those people who cannot protest against the Ethiopian government. So we need every single person to just come here and deliver a very important message today. And we need to invite all community leaders from Tigaru communities, from the Oromo communities. So we need every single person to come here, please. Just come here, and we have to have our chance.
Akkafuna akkam jirtu hordoftoota Oromiyaa laban sagantaan keenya hiriira mormii kan sirna Abiy Ahmed mormuudhaaf biyya Kanaadaa magaalaa Kaalgaariitti qophaa'ee ammallee itti fufeetii jira. Magaalaa keessaa erga konkolaataadhaan deemamee booda amma bakka tokko gahame ammallee hawaasni Oromootii fi hawaasni Tigree bakka wal ga'e kanatti sababoota hiriira kana akkasumatti ammoo mootummaan Kanaadaa mootummaa Abiy Ahmed kan abbaa irree kan namoota qulqulluu namoota nagaa ajjeesutti jiru akkasumatti ammoo dubartootaa fi haawwan irratti illee miidhaa garaagaraa gaggeessaatiin jiru akka balaaleffatuu fi mootummaa kana deeggaruudhaa akka dhaabbatu keessattiyyuu mootummoonni diroonii akkasumatti ammoo meeshaa waraanaa gama biraa Abiy Ahmediif gurguruudhaan uummata Oromoo uummata biyya sanii ficcisiisaatiin jiran kanneen akka Chaayinaa, Iraan, Turkii meeshaalee waraanaa kanneen mootummaa Abiy Ahmediif gurguruu akka dhaaban gaafataatiin jira hiriirri kuni ammallee hawaasni asitti wal ga'ee sagalee isaa dhageessisuudhaaf deema turtiin keessan ammallee Oromiyaa 11 wajjin haa ta'u nu waliin turaasiin jedhe.
We realize protest is not the answer. We've been doing this for many years, but this is just another example of what we need to do. But most importantly, we must unify and unite against this Naftanya system, which is ongoing for over 150 years. These are just different pictures, different players, but it's the same system. And us as Oromos, we had enough, and we're at a point where there is only one way. We have lost our land and our livelihood with gun, and we must give it back with gun. That's point blank for everybody to understand. But we want the world to see that we are unified and we're united and we are ready to move forward. We're in an abusive relationship and we are looking for divorce. Oromos are tired and sick and tired of the Naftanya system and this Milik who came with a donkey. And not only that, the donkey was stolen. Imagine a stolen donkey with no shoes walking to Finfinne. Remember, with the help of the French and the British, those days the Oromos had a spear and a knife, but they came with the machinery, with a gun, an advanced weapon which Oromos never heard of, because Oromos had a beautiful kingdom. They had a gun system, and that system is in the public domain, ladies and gentlemen. This is not things that Oromos are making up. This is history. We are proud people. The Oromo people are the most proud people and only the largest ethnic group in that region named Ethiopia. Ethiopia is cancer and we must remove the cancer. And for us to do that, we must stand together. If you stand with Oromo today, tomorrow Oromo will stand with you. And the number one example is, as you can see, Oromos and ET and TDF are together, even though some other people think us otherwise. We are people of justice. Oromos love justice. Oromos are the most peaceful creature on earth. Oromos shall get their freedom, and the only way to do it is stand together. Oromo is one. Oromo Toko. Oromo Toko. Dina Nugagan Numbasan. Oromo Kristana Islam Wakaifatar. Oromo Toko. Umani Prana Nufi Oromo Digu Feru Hindandau. Arras Barus Oromo is one. Oromo Toko.
the reason I said that in my language, I just want my people to understand that the Oromos are one. For those who planned systematically divide us with religion and ethnicity, we say no to them. We reject their idea that Oromos are not one. We are one people under one God. And I testify as Oromo that I am Oromo and I see every single Oromo as one. I don't care if you're Christian, I don't care if you're white or Muslim. You are one. You are Ilma Gada, Ilma Barento, Ilma Oromticha. Arras Barus Oromon, Nama Toko. Nuti Arras Barus Namtoko Gagar Numbasu. Galatomada, we will continue to fight this regime and we will win, we will defeat them, and we will hang this flag on top of Infinity and step on that statue of Menelik and smash it to the ground. Oromia shall be free. Oromia shall be free. So shall Tigarus, so shall Dumus, and every ethnicity that's been abused in that region called Ethiopia. Ethiopia has 85 ethnic group, ladies and gentlemen. Ethiopia does not belong to Amara. Ethiopia does not belong to Amara. Ethiopia belongs to everybody. Ethiopia will be destroyed. Just like Eritrea's last 93 or almost 2022, we are out. We are out. We will say you are fired, Abiy. You are going to the United Nations. You are going to ICU. And you are going to jail. And I will be the first to say, Sir, the white man, he killed me. He raped our women. He killed us. I will testify, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody will remember my name. I am Ilma Gada. Ilma Oromticha. Arras Barus Oromo Toko. Nibilisomna. The fact that people are doubting Oromos are going to be free, you are dead wrong. Because we having 8 kids a year almost. That's why they couldn't ratify us. That's why they did not destroy us. If we were small like Tigarus, the Oromos would have been gone long ago. Let them know. My mother said we're having 8 kids. That's right, boys. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. For that reason, Oromos are the most resilient human beings. We love justice. We love freedom. We urge everybody to join, hold hands, and remember, when the Oromos are free, everybody in Africa will be free. Mark my words, East Africa will be free. Oromos will be victorious. Oromia shall be free. Oromia shall be free. Down, down, Naftanya. Down, down, Naftanya. Down, down, Naftanya. Down, down, Naftanya. Down, down, Abiy. Down, down, Abiy. Down, down, Naftanya. Down, down, Naftanya. Down, down, Menelik kids. Down, down, Menelik kids. Down, down, Abiy. Down, down, Abiy. Free all our political prisoners. Free everybody. God bless Oromos and God bless everybody who came here, and we shall be free. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
We really appreciate our brother, CK. Yeah, so he's speaking emotionally. You should understand it, guys. So when we get someone from the Oromo community and also from the Tigaru community, let one or two persons come here and they will say something. Just one or two. Just get someone from Tigaru community. Biar rata na kana project kamu yoro jor ka bati mata kana jimbane gua isi kese jira sehnya siasat tunakkan nasi akan bisa kadaka walunganna garilana ka wa kana sin tarikar katifusan abdullah kabna. So she's from the Tigaru community. She has a lot to say. Let me give it to her.
Why are we here? Why are we here? We are Tigrayan and Oromia. They are protesting against the Abiy's regime because so we are against Abiy's regime because Abiy coordinatively worked with the Eritrean government to destroy Tigray. We lost everything in Tigray. We lost health facilities in Tigray. We lost universities. We lost infrastructures. We lost civilians. Call it hundreds of thousands of civilians. Our youngsters being executed for nothing in Tigray. Ordinary people being executed for no reason. Our young girls, our old women and young girls being raped in thousands. Our house being destroyed. We don't have house now. We don't have a clubland now. We don't have a house to sleep in. There is no food. There is no banks. I have money here in my pocket to send to my sister in Tigray, but there is no bank. My sister is dying of hunger while I have money here to send her. There is no banks, so then I can send her money to feed her children. If my sister not being supported by her own sister from the diaspora community, how in the world the UN is going to support Tigray? So Abiy Ahmed has to go down. Abiy Ahmed must go down. Abiy Ahmed has to move from his power. Whether he liked it by voluntary or not, if there is no justice in Tigray, if there is no justice in Oromia, there is no peace in Ethiopia. Ethiopia is for everyone. I want to make it clear. Ethiopia is equally for every national and nationalities. We have 85 people speaking 85 language. Ethiopia is for everyone, not for anyone. It is for Oromia, for Tigray, for Benishangul, for Gambela, for Gumuz, for everyone. So, for those who says Ethiopia first, Ethiopia is not people, Ethiopia is not forest. Ethiopia should rise for all Ethiopians, not only for one ethnicity. Ethiopia not belonging to Amhara only. Ethiopia belongs to Oromia. Ethiopia belongs to Tigray. Ethiopia belongs to Gumuz. Then we shine as Ethiopians together, as Ethiopians. Why the green-red flag is gonna do for Ethiopia? Why we say when people are dying, we deny that justice and we say Ethiopia first? Why Tamani Benyana is getting mad in Ethiopia while the Oromian people are dying, when the Tigrayan people are suffering of hunger, but he's saying Ethiopia first? Which Ethiopia? Honestly talking, there is no Ethiopia without Tigray. There is no Ethiopia without Oromia. There is no Ethiopia without Benishangul. Ethiopia is for everyone. So we have to know the meaning of Ethiopia first before we say Ethiopia first. Why should I be first before anything? My people are dying, and I'm gonna say Ethiopia is first for what? We have to really consciously say Ethiopia is for everyone, not for Amhara or not for any specific tribe. We have to say no to imperialism, no to slavery, no to war. Ethiopia without Tigray, without Oromia, without Benishangul, Gumuz, there is no Ethiopia. So stop the genocide and make the genocide is a genocide. Tigray genocide is a genocide. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate our sister. And one of our brothers also want to say one thing from the Tigray community. Then we need the Derek J and the Zakir to be here if it's possible. If not, Daba will say something.
Thank you, brother. I would love to say more, but as you see, my voice won't allow me. I don't know, maybe I chant a lot, but our solidarity, I love it. I would love to say something, but as you see, my voice won't allow me to say, but I'm happy to be here with you, with my brothers, my Oromo brothers, and you know, united together we will make a change. This is not our last will be. This is our first communication that we made, and then we'll work together and we'll fight Naftanya together. And then we'll make Naftanya down together. We will not allow Naftanyas to harass our Oromo and Tigrayan people. We will put them down. Down, down, Naftanya! Down, down, Naftanya! Down, down, Abiy! Down, down, Abiy! Down, down, Amhara! Down, down, Amhara! Ethiopia without Oromia, Ethiopia without Tigray is gone. No justice in Oromia, no justice, no peace in Ethiopia. No justice in Tigray, no peace in Ethiopia. Thank you, guys. I will give the chance to the next person.
Thank you very much. And if Zakir is here, we'll give a chance to speak on behalf of all communities. Zakir, Abramita, Direkakore Borsditra, Yoro Kositra Hira, community Undara, Afana, Dadan, and the Thank you.
Oromo. Jiritu. Tigray. Jiritu. Thank you. Okay, everyone. I would like to say thank you for the great turnout. So we are all in here for Kagaru, Jirtu, Kagaru, Jirtu. Everybody has to be called the way they should be called. Sorry if I said it wrong. Thank you. So we're out here for the same goal, same purpose. Our people are oppressed, killed, our sisters, our mothers are raped, our children being killed. Like my sister before me from Tagaru said, facility is destroyed, people have nothing to eat, so we have to be out here. We have to show our support and the solidarity for our people. We have to show to the Canadian government and then the international communities that we are with our people, and against the Ethiopian government. That government has to go. The way they will go is if we are one, if we are united. Nation and nationalities in Ethiopia, if we are united, we will decide the fate of that country. We can transition that country to democracy from this tyranny. So Ethiopia doesn't belong to anyone, it belongs to everyone. Ethiopia belongs to everyone. We want the bombing to stop in Tigray. We want bombing to stop in Oromia. We want any war, the civil war to stop in Ethiopia. Justice for people like in prison, they have to be released without any condition. Every nation and nationality should be considered and then come together to establish transitional government. The people who are committing the genocide should be brought to justice for International Criminal Court for the crimes they are committing against our people, against Tagaru, against Oromia, against Benishangul, Command, and then every nation and nationalities in Ethiopia. So that we are here today, and then we will continue fighting in every front. We put our resources and then effort together globally, and then back home, and then we will defeat that government. It's not government anymore. It is a looter. They are killers. They are killing our people, destroying village. They killed Abagada. Abagada is the head of Oromo. And they killed Abagada, and then they have no chance to survive anymore. We will get that back. They bombed Tigrayans. So we really thank you, Tagaru, like with us. So we're together. We're here to fight for justice, So we need our people to be released without any condition. Hey guys, we have Jawar in prison. We know that. We have Bakare Garba in prison. We have Abdi in prison. So we want them out. So we want to get them out. So if we work together, we're going to continue. This is the beginning, but this is not the end. Even after the victory, we have to come together. We have that empire belongs to every nation and nationalities in Ethiopia, and then we have to rebuild it together. So our relationship, our working together should continue, and then we have to learn from past, and then just to move forward. So I thank everyone. Hundi keessa nuboo keessa galatoma. Doga dibatani irree keenya waliin qabnee agarsiifna. Obbo Badri can say couple words, and then we will pass it on, and then it's called. So thank you for coming out. Thank you.
እሺ አማርኛን ብዙ ጊዜ አልናገርም ዛሬ እናገራለሁ እስቲ ማንንም ኮሞቢብል እንደ ትግረኛም ከቻልክ ዛሬ እናገር ነበረ ሁለት ነገሮች ነው የምለው የሚገርመው ከምኒልክ ጊዜ ጀምሮ ትግራያኖችና ኦሮሚያኖች ኢትዮጵያን ሲታገሏት ነበር አንድም ቀን እረፍት የወሰዱበት ቀን አልነበረም ግን ሁሉም በየራሱ ነበር ሲታገል የነበረው ከዛ 91 መጣና ኤሊቶች ከላይ ያሉ ሰዎች ድራማ በህዝቡ ላይ ተጫውተው ያ አለፈ አሁን ግን ትክክለኛ መንገድ ላይ ተገናኘን እኔ የምላችሁ ይሄ በፖለቲካ ደረጃ ሳይሆን በህዝብ ደረጃ እዚህም በጎረቤትነትም በስራም በምንም ተገናኝተን የጀመርነውን ነገር የጀመርነውን መንገድ ቪክቶሪ በድል መጨረስ አለብን እና አሁን እኔ የሚታየኝ ኢትዮጵያ ከአብይ ጋር ስትሞት ነው የሚታየኝ ኢትዮጵያ ከአብይ ጋር ትሞታለች ብዙዎቻችሁ ከእንትናችሁ አትሉ እቺን ኢትዮጵያ ለምን እንትን እንደምትሉ አይገባኝም ኢትዮጵያ ከአብይ ጋር ትሞታለች ኢትዮጵያ ከአብይ ጋር ትቀበላለች ለኢትዮጵያ የምትሳሱ ካለ እኔ የምትሳሱት ለትን አታውቁም ኢትዮጵያ ማለት it is empire ከዛም አልፎ ኢትዮጵያ ከተፈጠረች ጀምሮ ጥቂቶች ለራሳቸው ፍላጎት ስሉ ሌሎችን ከሰውነት ውጭ ሂማኒቲ ውጭ አውጥተው ትላንትና በትግራይ እንዳያችሁ ሰውን ከሰው አውጥተው እቃ አድርገው ሲጫወቱበት ከኦሮሚያም ህፃናት ሳይቀሩ በህዝብ ፊት በእላማ እየተጫወቱበት አይተናል ስለዚህ ኢትዮጵያ ከአብይ ጋር ትሞታለች ኢትዮጵያ ከአብይ ጋር ትቀበላለች ኢትዮጵያ ከአብይ ጋር ትፈርሳለች አብይ ውሸታም ነው አብይ እብድ ነው አብይ የሚያደርገውን አያውቅም ኦኬ thank you okay obobadi dugalaton fanna kanattiyan sudani yero tokko namota keessumma keessa akkasuma ijoolleen qerrooti nam tokko lama qopheeffadhaadha haga isin qophooftanu obbo Darajjeelleen qophaa'ee jira obbo Darajjee yeroo tokko asitti argamtaa isaan duratti immoo obboleessi keenya Daani'eel daqiiqaa tokko naa kan ijaan qoyyu Darajjeen kennaa so Daani'eel and just say something sorry
First of all, I just want to say thank you very much for everybody coming here. Thank you. We really appreciate you.
That's
Okay,
from this side.
Okay. First of all, I have a slogan to say. They say, Free Jawar Mohammed! Free Jawar Mohammed! Free Jawar Mohammed! Free Jawar Mohammed! Free Bekal Gorba! Free Bekal Gorba! Free all prisoners! Free all prisoners! Free all prisoners! Free all prisoners! Down, down, Abiy! Down, down, Abiy! Down, down, Abiy! Down, down, Abiy! Down, down, Netanyahu! Down, down, Netanyahu! Down, down, Netanyahu! Down, down, Netanyahu! Down, down, Abiy! Down, down, Abiy! Down, down, Netanyahu! Down, down, Netanyahu! Down, down, Abiy! Down, down, Abiy! Abiy must go! Abiy must go! Abiy must go! Abiy must go! Abiy is a killer! Abiy is a killer! Abiy is a killer! Abiy to ICC! Abiy to ICC! Abiy to ICC! Free Free Jawar Mohammed! Free Free Bekal Gorba! Thank you guys, thank you. Just want to say something, the only way we can win this fight is when we know it together. If we don't be united together, we'll never fight this war. The war is almost over. When they say game over, we're gonna finish it and we're gonna say game over. They started, we have to finish it and we have to be united together. If we're not gonna be united together, we'll never win. This is the time we have to stand up together. If not, there will never be Arabo, there will never be today. We have to stand together. I'm gonna say something in Tigrinya too, okay? كلكم تجاهلوا اللقب كعادي كلكم بحالة التحاور لكم عزوز جيزين نحن نتحاوركم كتير محاورة عطولي أما خلكم لا عادي سباس لولو رساتم عزوز جورهم صلاتنا الغون صلاتنا يوم صلاتنا كل جيزي فتوتنا مسيلة مسانا مستقل قوية زيادة كعام خفلتا مسلمين خيال أحواتنا هنا إلا خنقروم يبلناي أحواتنا هنا إلا خنقروم تلناجد وزيتارنا تنزل بصور ده بتاعي انت زي كوين كده كم حواتكم كوين سلوز مسحهم مشتركم آيتها وهم هذا نجار المرسل له تيمات والكالكالي وخير نجار كعامة كله خي يحرقكم هذا نجار نحاكي يحبوا هو يمنتالي وصولكم آيت بصورهم كله حرف الناي عليهم أوكي تقاي تعود ورمى تعود تقاي زلالم ورمى الزلالم down Abiy Abiy must go Abiy must go down Abiy down Netanyahu down Netanyahu down Abiy down Abiy. Thank you. Okay, thank you brother, really appreciate that. Yero tokko we daraja jiru. Okay, boleh sekian yerom ki yahuni dekika lama dan sedang berfungsi berbajani. Insyaallah tinggal yero tokko. Ramistala. Okay. I'm gonna speak maybe 2 for Tigrinya and then what do you say? Can you say Tagaru? I'm gonna say for Tagaru and come adarkum dandaho. Okay, is enough for you? I'm gonna say English and then my language, my mom language. Down Abiy. Down dictator regime Abiy. Down dictator regime of Isaias Afwerki. The one is damaged with Abiy, Isaias Afwerki. We'll never forget it, that one. You don't forget it, we'll never forget it. But we have a relationship, yani, most of our body raya with you. We are family. Don't be ashamed. I'm going to say something. Free our prison. All our prison. Okay. Free Mikhail Boran. Free Mikhail Boran. Free Kennasayera. Free Kennasayera. He gave for his life for us.
Free Kanasayana, Free Lamibanya, Free Lamibanya, Free Dawud Abdata, Free Colonel Kamachwayana, Free all Oromo prison, Free Dawud Ibsa. Nobody can arrest Dawud Ibsa. Is our heroes. Free Dawud Ibsa. Free Dawud Ibsa. The Oromo president forever, Dawud Ibsa. And then we have our hero. The one is give us our hero. We said already. We said already. Thank you. We said I'm gonna say my hero. Great Marro is our hero. They gave us his life for us, and then Gamachua Boye, and then Brice Gidaduba, and then Jalsenye, and then the other ones they come here. She's a new to combat people. I'm gonna say something without that one. Another this guy who wanna take me, he wanna take from but if you want to take it. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you. I'm done. Thank you so much.
Okay, so I need our Bojarege to come here. Hey, Kero! Where are Kero today? Are you guys hungry? No food in Canada? Come say something.
La correzione che ni demna tumranne demna kama yiti kune dema yada rekero Tanzania wala gajirani. Okay, I would like to say thank you all, the Oromian Committee Association members and also the Tigrayan Community Association members. Really, we had a great time today in rallying against the atrocities and the crime that the Ethiopian government is committing against our people. So we are so happy. We'll keep up our solidarity, and also we'll do more in the future. Thank you so much, all our members and leaders, for taking this initiative also to coordinate and facilitate everything. So I would like to thank you on behalf of the Oromian Community Association of Northern Alberta. So that's what I want to say. Everything is said by other leaders. So Belatoma undi kesanu wahedun jedhamera ummata keenya wanti geessif samera irrandi deebii barbaachisu Belatoma undi kesani isiniin jechuun barbaada ulfaadha akkasuma sagantaa wal fakkaatuun walitti deebina. Yeroo gaarii isiniif haa ta'u warri yeroo keessan gubdanii qorraan as turtan hundi keessanii ganamaa magalgalaatti. Thank you guys.
Okay. Obodarege Dugalatomi, when you get to Warren slogan at the top of it, please, we don't have to write slogans every single time. So those of you who have a poster with you, please bring it back and we have to put it in our community office, okay? Warren slogan it, I don't know what the Manatigalton. Every time the rest of the Kamnejira, Halkanula Katra.
እንግዲህ አድማጭ ተመልካቾቻችን ያየነው ኦሮሚያ 11 በቀጥታ በኤድመንተን እየተደረገ ያለውን የአህመድ አብይ አገዛዝን የሚቃወም ተቃውሞ የኦሮሞና የትግራይ ማህበረሰብ በኤድመንተን የሚገኝ የተቃወመ ይገኛል። እስቲ ስምን እንተዋወቅ።
ኢትዮጵያ የሚደረግ ያለው ስለ ትግራይና ኦሮሞ ጄኖሳይድ ስለዛ ለመቃወም ነው የወጣው።
እስቲ በተለይ አሁን በብዛት የአብይ አህመድ አገዛዝ የሚለው ትግራይና ኦሮሞ ጠላት እንደሆነ ወይ ደግሞ አብሮ ሊታገለው የማይችል እንደሆነ ነው የሚነሳው። ለምን ሲል ነው ኦሮሞና ትግራይ አብሮ የአብይን ስርዓት የሚታገለው? ምን ምክንያቶች አለው?
ስለ ኦሮሞና ትግራይ አብይ በደንብ አድርጎ የሚያውቀው አይመስለኝም። ትግራይና ኦሮሞ ተጣልተው አያውቁም። በዚህ ላይ ነው የምፈልገው።
በተለይ ምን ያህል አብሮ ለመስራት ምን ያስፈልጋሉ?
በኦሮሞና ትግራይ መስራት የሚያስፈልገው አሁን ሰዓት የአብይ ስርዓት ተባብሮ ማስወረድ ከስልጣኑ ወገን ማድረግ ነው።
በጣም ነው የማመሰግነው እጋ ኦርዶፍቶ ኦሮሚያ 11 ከለቲዳን ከደርባት እንንጅሩ ተምሳስኒ ኦሮሚያ 11